Games like this are fun, engaging, highly interactive, and collaborative. But collaboration doesn't just occur within these games. Collaboration occurs with the creators of these types of games. When the great minds of an artist, web developer, game design engineer, educator, and a nurse come together, they change the way we learn and deliver healthcare education. It's this collective brainpower that created a serious game-based platform called Virtual Pulse. A serious game doesn't mean that it's boring. These types of games still need to have the same elements that make video games fun and engaging, like a challenge or goal. In the Virtual Pulse game, nursing students race against the clock to help their patient feel better. Realistic graphics and animations enable players to correctly assess their patient's condition. Administering the right medications can help to improve a patient's condition, advance the learner's progress, and even increase their score. The wrong action may cause a patient's condition to worsen or end the game altogether. Completing all the correct actions will unlock the next level of gameplay, and in the end, enable nurses to practice important decision-making skills needed when working with real patients. Serious games like these help tackle serious challenges. I'm here to share with you the stories of the people behind the scenes who work together to create serious games. Starting with me, I'm a manager and an instructional technologist. Simply put, an instructional technologist is an educator who specializes in using technology for learning, like those computer math games that you might play in school. I love playing games, but even more than playing games, I enjoy working with teams of people to create games, in particular serious games like Virtual Pulse. Instructional technology enables me to bring together my love for games, my interest in technology, and my passion for creating educational experiences that are engaging for our students. Let's look behind the scenes at some other STEAM professionals who work on Virtual Pulse.
Hi, my name is Kathy Kennedy, and I'm the Associate Dean of Specialty Nursing at the British Columbia Institute of Technology. Before in this role, I've been an emergency nurse for many years, and I have loved all the incredible opportunities that the field of nursing has brought me. Did you know that nurses don't only care for real patients, but we can also enter the world of innovation of technology and use our expertise and knowledge to help create real-life scenarios and patient experiences for other healthcare providers that are learning and training. It's called a subject matter expert, and I've had the opportunity to be in that role over the last 4 or 5 years to help create amazing technology and learning opportunities for other healthcare professionals.
My name is Jason Yu. I'm a simulation asset artist. I've always loved drawing since I was a little kid. I would draw on wherever and whenever there was a piece of paper. I was never the smartest kid in class, but studying at art school was the best time in my life. I was finally able to experience for the first time that homework could be fun. As a BCIT alumnus, I'm blessed with this opportunity to give back to my school. My role in game development involves 3D modeling and animation. I love my job because I'm doing something I love every single day. It is particularly rewarding to know that my work in 3D modeling and animation enhances the learning experience for students. This feeling of satisfaction is the drive and motivation for me each and every day.
My name is Vienna. I have a background in science and a love for math and technology, and I combine them to create learning tools. I started doing this as a way to learn or teach myself. I will use technology to visualize concepts, or create simulations to understand problems, or create systems to organize and retrieve data. So one of the main tools I use is a game development engine called Unity. It's very ubiquitous out there. But don't worry if you're not into game design, because although a lot of people do use it to make games, there are so many other applications to it. It basically allows you to take assets like 3D models, animations, audio, video even, and then add logic to them so that you can control them and you can create experiences from them.
So, the next time you are playing video games with your friends, Think about the collective brainpower of STEAM community professionals who helped put it all together.